T goes with government and new TB issuance. Let's start with that. In light of the Herald's headline, a $20 million TB facility ahead of a $2.2 billion rollover.
Yeah, he says he's just testing the market to see if there's appetite. And
They'll
if the
buy
market is
them.
liquid
You
enough.
know?
Yeah.
What do you mean test the market?
Yeah.
Yeah,
You know?
I think the limited instruments out there, even in terms of prescribed assets that are available. So basically, the pension funds will just pile in there.
Of course they will.
Yeah, but when Thuli came in, the concern was on the pricing. I mean, they're looking at restructuring in terms of the tenure and also looking at a downward.
But is this rollover going to go into longer dated stuff, Happy?
Yeah.
And what are they going to lock that
medium
into?
to long term.
So what, 5 to 10 years?
Yeah.
And have they talked about coupon or anything there?
Not yet, but you kind of see where they're going because they've already set the accommodation rate at 15%.
15%.
So you kind of have a sense of the direction and where their rates are going to be.
Yeah, but I mean, 15 is quite high, given, of course, the need to capacitate some of these struggling businesses. I mean, that money will definitely be.
Those guys will get concessionary loans anyway. You know, what's happening on the forex market?
Rate
It stopped
is at
again.
4.4,
4.4, 4.5, yeah.
4.5.
So it's still
in
moving.
cash, but the bond rate hasn't moved. The bond rate is still at 3.5, but the eco-cash and transfer rate has moved.
So-
That's the one that's been moving.
So let's look at that.
Yeah.
So what's happening there? Somebody's increasing the supply of money.
They were the BT story says that they paid 440 million in maturities this past quarter. So yeah, that's where money came from. And the December figures on the RBZ says that money supply went up by 200 million just for December.
But that
alone.
shouldn't move the rate by that much. You know, I mean, what are we? We've gone like another 15%.
Yeah, but how much of the forex trades have gone through the interbank? Manguja's latest stats had them at 65 million, which means there isn't enough money in the system anyway.
65 so far.
65 million so
peanuts.
far.
Yeah, it's not a lot, yeah.
It's not a lot.
And then there's what's behind us. You know, already.
And then there's still that priority list where retailers are really not recognized in that list. And then they because their cash reach, they tend to the black market. At 3.5 because they'll be having the bonds and then they price the goods
course.
at 4.1.
One or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I guess so some of the manufacturers have got allocations. I think Truett's.
No, but it's small stuff.
Yeah, it's
you know
small
what I
stuff.
mean? It's,
Yeah, but he only said 47,000 since the beginning
it's,
against their monthly requirements of a lot.
and remember, these guys, and this is what we said, even when they brought the reforms in, is that all of these guys have that cash sitting on their balance. All these big companies have that cash sitting on their balance sheets,
Yeah.
and they've already priced it at 3 to 1 or whatever. And now we're already at 4. You know, so. But yeah, interesting. So the RTGS, the bond to RTGS has 3.6 still, huh?
Yeah, 3.5. 3.5, 3.4 actually in other quarters. Bond hasn't moved at all.
Actually, this country is an MBA in multiple exchange rates and how they work and move and you know
Currencies, yeah.
It's the market, huh?
Yeah.
Anyway.